Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I am bringing you this news for the 150th time, so it's not really going to make any difference, but I am bringing you the news really just to document this. So here's the headline: Appeal Court orders federal government to release Dasuki after granting him a 100 million bail. So that's the headline: Appeal Court orders federal government to release Dasuki after granting him 100 million naira bail. The former NSA has been detained since 2015 for allegedly diverting funds meant for tackling insurgency. The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has ordered the federal government to release the former National Security Advisor NSA Sambo Dasuki after reviewing his bail conditions. According to reports, the court, in a certified true copy (CTC) of a judgment dated July 10, 2019, granted the former NSA a 100 million naira bail and provide sureties in like sum. The suit marked CA/A/806/2018 has the Director General of the Department of State Services and the Attorney General of the Federation as respondents. You will recall that in 2018, Justice Ijeoma Ojukwu of the Federal High Court Abuja granted the ex-NSA 200 million naira bail with two sureties. The judge also held that the sureties must either be civil servants of grade level 16 in the Federal Civil Service or private citizens who have landed properties in the municipality areas of Abuja. But contrary to the earlier ruling on his release and bail conditions, the appeal court reduced the bail conditions to 100 million naira, adding that his sureties must be resident within the jurisdiction of the court. The judgment reads: each of the sureties shall furnish evidence of ownership of property in the Federal Capital Territory worth 100 million naira. Where there is need for any interview of the applicant by the respondents in response to those allegations, the appellant shall not be detained, and such interviews shall be conducted on working days only between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. The international passport of the applicant shall remain with the Deputy Chief Registrar of the court below for the time being. When those conditions are complied with, the Chief Registrar or Deputy Registrar of the court below shall notify the respondent to the effect, and the applicant shall be released forthwith from custody of the respondent. The appellant shall be paid the sum of 5 million naira compensation by the respondent for his unlawful arrest and detention in consonance with Section 35(6) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The former NSA has been in detention since 2015 for allegedly diverting funds meant to tackle insurgency. However, he denied the allegation. So now I am saying that I am bringing you this story for the 150th time. I could as well say I'm bringing you this story for the 200th time, and I'm almost certainly going to I am almost certainly going to be bringing you this story for the millionth time, because every court in the land and the whole of the West African region have said this guy should be released on bail with sureties. So now this has been the order pretty much since 2015, but Malam Buhari has told us effectively that he's above the law and he's going to do as he wills. So now this court, of course, this Justice Ijeoma Ojukwu, is just of course wasting our time, because you know and I know and everybody knows that Buhari is just going to disregard her opinion, and so with the DSS, because the reasons why they are detaining this guy is nothing to do with the state of Nigeria, but a personal vendetta between this guy and Malam Buhari. Buhari, and we all know Malam Buhari to be a very vindictive man. So you can whistle in the wind is the answer from Aso Rock rather, to this lady judge. You can say all you like, constitution, what constitution? I am the constituted authority according to Ajimobi. This was what he was saying to them. So this is what Buhari is saying to us now, that he is the constitution of the country, and his will and his whims is what holds fast, not anything that is written in some document book that is read by all these Efikos. He's not an Efiko, he's a soldier boy, and he knows the rule of force, and he's using force, and that is the way it's going to be. So the judge can do all this. Well done to the judge for trying to uphold the law, but obviously there's no real law in Nigeria. We're in a state of nature function at the moment with this particular Aboki fella. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Dasuki Buhari, and judgments made and judgments dismissed. But before you come have that chat with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.